The votes have gone in and the future of candidates in Maharashtra has been sealed, and on Saturday the big result will be revealed. But exit polls have given their predictions and the Mahayuti has a big reason to smile. Majority of the pollsters are backing the alliance of Shiv Sena, BJP and NCP to emerge victorious, although by a smaller margin. The exit polls project Mahayuti to win 151 seats in the 288-seat assembly, just 7 more than the halfway mark. While pan-India pollsters are backing the ruling alliance, the regional pollsters have given an edge to the Mahavikas Aghadi. The independents are expected to also have a major say on which alliance forms the next government in Maharashtra.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब जब वोटिंग परसेंटेज बढ़ता है तो बीजेपी को ही उसका फ़ायदा होता है। तो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि निश्चित रूप से ये जो बढ़ा हुआ वोटिंग परसेंटेज है ये बीजेपी और हमारे अलायंस के लिए, महायुति के लिए ये फ़ायदा हमको देगा और इसका फ़ायदा हमको होगा।
हमारा शुरुआत में ही जो अंदाज था वो अब सही बनते जा रहा है। जो रुझान आ रहे हैं उस आधार पर महाविकास आघाड़ी के ही फेवर में रुझान आ रहे हैं। 179 के ऊपर यानी 175 के ऊपर महाविकास आघाड़ी की सीटें चुन के आएंगी।
And my colleague Shweta Verma is now joining us with more details. Shweta, on one hand, the poll of polls say that the Mahayuti has an edge and it is going to emerge victorious in the state of Maharashtra. But if we look at the regional pollsters, they have given the verdict to the Mahavikas Aghadi.
Well, that's right. In fact, this is going to be the tough competition between both the alliance. You talk about Mahayuti or about Mahavikas Aghadi, and the ruling alliance is of course confident about their victory. But here we understand that, however, the national exit pollsters have given their majority to the Mahayuti. But if we just speak about the regional pollster, we understand that now Mahavikas Aghadi is an edge through the exit polls given on regional levels. Apart from this, the foremost point here is to understand that how crucial role these smaller allies will be playing here. The independent candidates as well as the smaller the allies would be playing a vital role here, because we see this is a neck-to-neck competition. Meanwhile, we also understand that amid this, we have seen several reactions that has been pouring in from various political leaders also, that they are confident on their win. But here we see that after the assembly polls, as far as the exit polls are concerned, we understand that nationally there are majority going for the Mahayuti side, but regionally there are chances of Mahavikas Aghadi to take over the state of Maharashtra.